Hello viewers, this is Mercy Electrical Engineering. As you can see, I'm here to educate my viewers on how to wire one gang switch controlling two lamps. So as for this one, we have to draw our two lamps on the board. So first we have our first lamp and then we have our second lamp here. So we need to indicate it. This is our lamp 1 and then lamp 2. So I need to cross it so that people can see that it's a lamp. So as for the lamp, we need to indicate our neutral terminals and then our live terminals. Here is our neutral terminals and then our live terminal. And then we need to draw our switch cable, which is one gang two-way switch. So this is my one gang. So as for the one gang, is L or common, and then our ways is L1 and then L2. So we are about to start the connection. So as for the connection, we have our main switch. So let's take it as our main switch. We have our main switch. Here will be the main switch. So we'll be using this as our main switch. So we have our two breakers. And then this breaker is our 10 amps. 10 amp breaker. And then these are two pole breaker. This one is our neutral. This is our live. Neutral and then live. So the live is connected to this one. So now what we need to do is to connect our power supply. So the L, we are connecting it to our breaker, which is our 10 amps. So what we need to do now is to connect our neutral. So as for the neutral, because here is too far, so we'll be using this place as our neutral. So this is our neutral. Then we need to connect from here to the second one. So we've looped from the main neutral to our terminals. So from lamp 1